Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope that you all are fine and enjoying your holidays and following all the COVID SOPs, which are wearing a mask when you are going outside, keep yourself at social distance, washing your hands again and again in the day, and sanitizing your hands as well. Let's start our today's lesson with the name of Allah and say with me Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. O my Lord, increase my knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Let's start our today's lesson, which is very short today. And what is that? We will solve page number 14 and 15 of Funmatics. So open your books of Funmatics at page number 14 and 15. Let's start. Here we have to write the missing numbers. So write with me, take your pencils in your hand, and I'm very much sure that you already know the counting. So let's do this. The first, a very beautiful picture of a caterpillar. What has written over it? 31, 31, 31, then 32, 32, and then 33. So write with me, 33, 33, and then 34. Then 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Next, another missing numbers are given. So the number which is being given, that is 12. What comes before 12? Yes, it's 11. 1, 1, 11, then 1 to 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Then another set is given over here. Here the clue is that 53. So before 53 there comes 51 and 52. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. The next, another set of missing numbers are given, which is 81, and then 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Come to the next set of missing numbers, which is 61. It is starting from 61. So what comes after 61? 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. Come to the next page. Here we will also write the missing numbers from 1 to 100. So quickly write with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to be in the box. Box के अंदर आपने लिखना है. Don't make the big words or big letters or big numbers. बॉक्स के अंदर लिमिट रहो के लिखें और अच्छे हैंड राइटिंग में लिखें. यस, नेक्स्ट 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. सो आप इस वीडियो को यहाँ पॉज करें और जल्दी से अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करें. नेक्स्ट, टुडेज कॉपी वर्क. Open your notebooks of mathematics. Yes, here what you will do, you will write counting from 1 to 50, but be careful while using tens and ones. From 1 to 9 you will write in the boxes given below the ones, and when you will come at the 10 you will write 1, the box given below the 10 and 0 in the box of 1. So be careful while writing the counting to see at tens and ones. पेरेंट्स से हमारी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो बच्चों को काउंटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन राइट डाउन करवाएं, बिकॉज इट हैज़ बीन ऑब्जर्व्ड कि बच्चे जो नर्सरी एंड प्रेप के होते हैं ये भूल जाते हैं. सो बार बार बच्चों को जो भी आपको फ्री टाइम मिले उसमें डॉजिंग करवाएं, मिसिंग नंबर्स करवाएं और काउंटिंग बार बार बच्चों को राइट डाउन करवाएं. थैंक यू फॉर टुडेज़ वर्क.